Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today our topic, Enquiry Letters. What is an enquiry letter? An enquiry letter is one which seeks some information from the receiver. Business organization have to make enquiries at the beginning of a business transaction. Even if you want to purchase a piece of furniture for your home, you do not to go and buy it immediately. So you should know about the dealer of the furniture, best price of the furniture, quantity, etc. An enquiry letter is written by a potential customer on the lookout for a product or with a desire to avail the service offered by a seller or an organization. Definition: according to Maurice Philip and others, the letter that seeks information concerning the goods and services from a business concern is called an inquiry letter or enquiry letter. What are all the features of enquiry letter? An enquiry letter should clearly state what the information is required. So it must be mentioned what the information is to be required. Next one, if the buyer has a particular article or service in mind, he should spell it out clearly. The letter should have clarity. Next one, it should always also be complete. It should not be incomplete, it should be complete. Next one, sometimes the potential buyer may not have any idea on the purchase that he intends to make. The technical features that will satisfy his requirement may not be familiar to the writer. Then the buyer should clearly state the service that he expects from the product and requires the recipient to suggest alternatives that will provide the required service. So it also, so these are all the requests also included. Next one, the buyer should word the letter cautiously so that the seller, under some misperception, does not treat it as an order. The buyer should indicate at the beginning itself that it is just an inquiry. So the buyer should mention this is an inquiry letter, not an order letter. So next one, all details regarding the product, its quality, price, the quantity that can be supplied, the mode of dispatch, its cost, etc. should be inquired into. Next one, when is an inquiry letter written? When they want to buy a new kind of good which they have not been buying before buying. So when they want to renew a contract under revised terms, when they want to discover new source of supply, when traders or a buyer wishes to make the best bargain, he has to begin his exercise with an enquiry letter. So these are all the conditions enquiry letter is to be written. So students, I hope you understand features of enquiry letter and when it is to be written. Thank you.